Nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso. Y si el juez está de paso, termina de examinar.
This is my current hair. This is my current hair. I don't like it. I'm good. How are you? I want to reduce the hair. Like, let's try. Cut first. It's like trimming until I will see the length I want. I'm still not sure how short I want it. Thank you. I don't like it. We'll get rid of this. I don't like it.
Pues nos fuimos. Y yo la ve, campo otra vez, tiro lino. Lo sabe, antes que ayer lo dijimos. Y si nos vamos, de nadie nos despedimos. Villa la ve, había un coche al kilo limo.
I did not comb my hair, so it's really painful. But anyway, we can bear the pain.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
All my hair down. Oh my god. Okay.
There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. For you. For you. For you. For you. For you. Open eye, high blue skies for the first time. I got nightmares sometimes, 'cause I'm bracing for a storm I'm used to. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do 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 for you. For you. For you.
Just tired from work, got back home. My dinner. So tired, so cannot cook right now. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are heading out girls night. Yes, I'll take you along with me. Come. This is my outfit of the night. Outfit of the night.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but
Dubai is beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. here. This is me. I am alive, beautiful, kicking, happy. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, guys, and I missed you. Well, here I am. So, again, I'm going to Dubai Mall. I usually try to avoid going to Dubai Mall, but with Sephora, I cannot control myself. I cannot, literally, guys, I cannot control myself from not going to Sephora, because actually Sephora sells the most legit products when it comes to face products. Actually, you can see my face is really glowing. Yeah, because for the last 3 months I've been using The Ordinary products, and I get them from Sephora. So right now I just want to go get a few skincare products, also makeup. My foundation, concealer and sunscreen is over, and also I think I'll get niacinamide and a toner. So yeah, and lipstick. I need lipstick also. So yeah, that's what we're going to do to Dubai Mall. Only Sephora brings me to Dubai Mall. If not, I don't think I would ever be going to Dubai Mall, because the hassle is real. Like, it's too big, you get tired. I don't know, for the 50th times I've been to Dubai Mall, I still cannot locate my ways in there. Like, super hectic, guys, super hectic. Anyways, oh my god, look at my skin. Let's just Ooh. You're so gorgeous. Anyways, let's go. So guys, let me show you around Dubai. So this is downtown Dubai. There is the Burj Khalifa. Right next to Burj Khalifa, those who don't know, is Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall is actually just next to Burj Khalifa. And then this is the downtown Dubai, the city life. Like, I don't know, those who watched Power, you remember this song, the Power song? It was like, this is a big rich town, but I come from the poorest part. Bright life, city life, I gotta make it down. So this is me. This bright life, city life, I want it all to myself. I have to make it. I have to make it. Yeah. City life is beautiful, guys.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away?
So guys, as I was telling you, Dubai Mall, this Burj Khalifa is just next to Dubai Mall. If you can see this, yeah, Dubai Mall. And this is the entrance, Dubai Mall entrance, yeah. So here I am going. See you inside. Oh my god. For beauty purposes. Damn, what to do? And as I told you guys, I'm lost again. Oh my god, I'm lost. Like literally, I don't even know where I am right now. Like guys, I can tell you one thing about Dubai Mall. Like everyone looks good in here. Not even in terms of looks or anything. Like everyone just dresses nicely. Like you can never come to Dubai Mall and just dress the way you want to dress. I mean, people look well put together. Dior, Van Cleef, Fendi, Chanel. Can someone take me to one of these shops? Celine, Louis Vuitton, Ralph Lauren. Oh, someone. Anyways, can I find my way out? I need to find my way out. I'm already hungry. Shit. And I've already spent all my money with these tiny little bags. But actually, I didn't. That's why I went to the pharmacy to get the foundation and the sunscreen. The sunscreen I was looking for was not in Sephora. The only thing I found in Sephora was this one. Wait, let me find my way out and then I'll talk to you guys. Look, this man casually walking with the when I grow up, I want to casually walk carrying my designer bags. Okay, this one's mine for now. Let's get into Zara and waste some time, not money, time. Yeah, usually I don't know if it's the Dubai Zara or I don't know, because I'm always here and I never seem to find anything that excites me. Oh, I'm in the men's section. My goodness, let me go to the ladies section. This is men's section. Crazy me. Guys, I just found this perfect coat. It's so cute. Look. I'm telling you guys, the coat is giving. The coat is giving. But the price, I tell you, price $3.99. Ew, I want the coat, but the price, oh my god, I should just bring my man here. My future man. He's not yet here. But I love. I found another coat. This one is giving as well. Oh, I wish you could see the fabric. It looks so expensive. And yes, it's so expensive, $2.99. I love the coats here. The coats are giving. Ooh, this other one. Yeah. I tell you, it's so good. It's Oh, finally I found my way out. Finally. Hi guys, so let's unbox together. Ooh. The receipt, invoice, everything. Yeah, and this one. Oh my! I've been wanting to get these sandals for a long time. Oh my god, I've been wanting these sandals for a long time. I'm so happy. Finally finally they are here with me. So nice. Michelle, very cooking in progress. So this is my pasta. I'm just boiling, and then my sausages. So I want to make creamy pasta. I've been craving creamy pasta for a while now, so yeah, that's what I'll be making. And my onions are ready. These chicken cubes and tomato paste. Yep. My food is now ready. I like the creamy, and then with my coconut juice with pulp. Actually, this is my new obsession. I love this coconut juice, really. It's the best. You should try. I don't know if you have it, you should try, really. My favorite.
You said that you so lonely.
Enjoy. Begin.
Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip